how to pair these JLab Go Air Pops earbuds with the Galaxy Note 9 phone. But this will work with any Android phone. So what you want to do is swipe down. See this Bluetooth symbol here? Sometimes it's off. If it's off, press on, and then you'll see your Bluetooth options here. Here are some devices that I've paired on this device before. You'll see JLab Go Air. Those are a different kind of earbuds that I have. These are the JLab Go Air Pops. So in order to get the signal to go from the earbuds to the phone, you have to take these earbuds out of the case, which we're going to do right now. And I'm holding them up because to the microphone because you may or may not be able to hear when it says pairing. So if it doesn't do it automatically, what you can do is you can hit scan right here, and it'll look for local devices. So now it's scanning. You can see this is like the little thing twirling there. That's an indicator that the actual scanning process is taking place. So hopefully it'll pick up these JLab Go Air Pops. We're doing this in real time so you can see how long it actually takes so you don't give up. It takes longer than you think. In the meantime, in the comments, go ahead and tell me where you got your JLab Go Air Pops. And if you haven't got them, you're watching this video to see if you want to get them. I'll put a link in the description so that you can do that. JLab Go Air Pop, available device, right here. Okay, hit that. Now it says pairing. Pair with JLab Go Air Pop. Okay. Now it says right here, connected to JLab Go Air Pop for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining. All right, great. So if this showed you how to pair your JLab Go Air Pops, and why do I keep saying JLab Go Air Pops? It's for the algorithm. It's because it picks up the closed captioning. Anyway, do you want to know anything about algorithm tips on YouTube? Go ahead and put it in the comments below, and I'll see if I can do a video about that as well. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button because that helps the algorithm to find me, and that helps me to make money from views and ad revenue, and that keeps me going. So thanks a lot. If you want to see the next one, go ahead and hit subscribe and put the notifications on. I post almost every day. Have a great day. Thanks.